somebody donated a trumpet to one of my students. This is the trumpet. Let's check out this trumpet and see if we can get it working for this student. If you've been in the band world very long, you know that this name is not one of the best. Let's see if it plays and if we can make it work for this student. Valves are working pretty good. Sounds pretty good. Wonder if it plays in tune. Let me get a tuner. All right, here's our tuner. Oftentimes with these more affordable trumpets, the valves are put together a little weird. Valve 1 looks pretty standard. Trying to find a number on it, and that is what is missing. So there might be a number there. So we could really easily get these valves mixed up if we're not too careful. So that could be the first thing that goes wrong with this instrument, is not putting these in correctly. When I give this trumpet to this student, I need to make sure that I let him know that I don't see a number on here and these could easily get mixed up. So only take one valve out at a time. Okay, I take the second valve out. I'm seeing a number 2. Look at that. Excellent. We see a number 2 and it looks pretty good inside. Let's pop that back in. Let's check out the third valve. Aha. So here is where you could really go wrong with this trumpet. If you look inside this valve casing, you'll see that the valve guide is actually over here. On all trumpets, the valve guide should be on the side of the valve. So it being here could really confuse a beginner. Valve guide on this one is on this side. You see that little notch? But on this one over here, that notch is down here in the corner. So there's obviously some manufacturing issues with this trumpet. It still plays though. This doesn't mean that it doesn't play, because I demonstrated that it played just fine. Was it put together wrong? Maybe, obviously, but it still works. If you're a trumpet player and you've put valves in for many, many years, it looks really weird to put one in this way, but that's where it locks in. It looks like I'm gonna have to do some work on the tuning slide, but the third valve slide moves, which is important, and the first valve slide moves. I'm gonna teach the student how to take care of this instrument so that he can keep using it for as long as it'll last. Will it last forever? Probably not, but it's gonna last as long as we can help it. So what brand was your first instrument, and what brand do you play on now?